Madly. Don't make nobody tell you say you can't do it, you hear that?
Perry made a bang.
Upliftment, positivity, burn bad mind, you hear that? Them negative thoughts get me cross. Rate to rate yo, that me endorse. Dirty them dirty, me see through them heart. Me just a play my part, with love me a walk. Nowadays, you have to think smart. Work for what you want, don't listen when them talk. Block my part, I dark me get dark. Dark me get dark, me get dark. Never trouble them, so don't trouble me. Me just a do my thing, so please let it be. Music me pray, create melodies. Me not pre no war, don't want no felonies. Father God, be my guide. While I walk, please stay by my side. From the enemies, protect my life. Nowadays, them don't want to see you strive. Forget your heart, your own friend not take bribe. And everybody smile with you, want see your eyes. Stick to yourself, take my foolish advice. The same friend where you trust, and them set up Christ. Them will sell your heart for your spliff. Watch them a watch, the watch pan your wrist. Aim for your head, but them shoot and them miss. Wah, where you have, but them don't take no risk. Just the way them think, make me know them the real. My mother tell me who can't hear, I go feel. So me cut them off, that wound they can't heal. Third eye open, that I'm a shield. Positive thinking, keep the mind clean. Now follow them rather, follow my dream. Walk a straight path, so you not see me lane. One day, me know me must win. The best I come when you feel hopeless. Success don't come without stress. You can't elevate if you don't press. The more you push, adjust the more test. Overcome the obstacle and don't rest. You have got job sometime, but don't fret. Get up, all when you have no breath. Continue fight and don't guess nowhere to go when you're homeless. Still say a prayer, ask where to go next. In the street, keep your eyes open. God is there, don't step without him. Mankind a go on, fi see you fall. Prove them wrong and put in your all. When the pressure start, pressure you stand tall. Give thanks for what you have, no matter how it's small. The best is yet to come, the blessing where you are. You must overcome, don't say you can't. Be smart, work hard, give some praise to God. Yeah, them will talk behind your back, then them see and start act. And now them want you drop, them the want you reach the top. Keep my eyes open, in case them attack. Every man have them time, me just a wait on the clock.